Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 Youth, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and then we have to scroll to find biometrics and password. Now let's tap on fingerprint ID. And here we've got the first step, which may be quite confusing. If you've got the lock screen currently set, you will be simply transferred to another step. If not, you really have to set the lock screen right now. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So it acts just like a backup lock screen method. You can change the unlock method to the pattern, for example PIN, and the password. I will pick the pattern, so let me draw it, redraw it, and tap on done. Alright, so here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. Of course, we will be able to decide also after adding the fingerprint, so the unlock device access, safe access, app lock, and autofill usernames and passwords. But let me start with adding the fingerprint, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the instructions, what we have to do. So let's simply tap on add fingerprint. Here we've got also the note about the accuracy of the fingerprint sensor, so it may be affected when you're using the screen protector, so be aware about that. Let's tap on OK, and here we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. And right now we have to add kind of the edges, the outer space of our finger. Alright, and right now kind of a confirmation of the... Alright, we just successfully added the fingerprint. We can rename it or simply confirm it. And as I said, here we can also decide what we want to do with our fingerprint. Here we've got also some additional options, so the fingerprint animation, we can decide which one we want to use. Just tap on it and confirm it if you like it. Here we've got the fingerprint list. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can, just by tapping on it, we can rename it or remove it. We can add also new fingerprint, and we can identify fingerprint. As you can see, we can add up to 5 different fingerprints, and this option will help you to identify them. So if you will have more than one fingerprint, you can just put the fingerprint on the sensor and your device will show you which fingerprint it is. Quite cool. Alright, so let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me lock it and let's check. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.